Hello guys, it's Monday. Welcome to the trade setup. So Nifty is good. Sensex is good. Let's have a look at the sectors as usual. Media sector looks promising, 1% up almost. Realty 2. IT also. Okay. Let's have a look at the gainers from these sectors. What is this? Okay. So from Reality India Bulls is there, Media and Z Entertainment is there, and from IT Infosys is there, I can see. Yep. Let me add these. India Bulls Reality, India Bulls Finance, Z Entertainment. Let's have a look at the chart of India Bulls. So it has marched up from the pivot level up to the R1. Guys, as I've already told you, I'll be explaining this in the later videos. Let's have a look at the Z chart. So the pivot is at 594.91 and it has shot up from there to 602, that is the R1 level. So guys, as you have seen my previous videos, resistance levels are damn important. I'll be explaining this in later videos and the settings of the various graphs I'm using. Let's calculate 1 lakh divided by the current price, that is 603.5. So it's roughly 170 shares. By the way, I'm using 5,000 rupees of capital. Zerodha provides 20 times the margin, so that's why it's 1 lakh rupees. Currently I can see the RSI is above 80, so lot of buyers are there. The share is already overbought. But I'm expecting it to move from this level to the up level. Just waiting to show it up a bit. Okay, let's buy it. I'm placing an MIS order. Guys, I'll be explaining this, so just have a look at the video first, the demonstration videos. So stop loss would be 5, target would be 5, 604.8. Yeah, we'll keep modifying this order. We'll keep modifying this order as and when time comes. So we have got let's have a look at the chart. So market has just opened, guys. It's been like 8 minutes since market has opened. So this is the time when market is highly volatile and you can earn something in such high volatility. So let's see. But let me tell you, it's risky too at the same time. Don't invest a lot of capital of yours. Just invest the money which you think you can bear to lose, and not more than that. So my target is 609, around this. There's a resistance line over there at 610, so my safe target is 609. If it crosses 610, it can move up also, but let's see if it touches the first target or not. So it has moved up. So currently we are in green over here. Let's wait and watch. I'm still afraid because the share is already overbought. The RSI is above 80. Let me quickly modify the stop open price. Oops, what happened? I think it has sold. Oh yeah, so we have got it. Before modifying the order, it has already touched the target, and we have booked a profit of 850 over here. Let's have a look at the chart. So as you can see, it has touched the resistance level at 610, and it is retreating back. So guys, as I've told you, resistance levels are damn important. We'll be discussing this in later videos. So Z Limited done, 850 rupees of profit we have booked. So this is the second trade of mine in Z. Thanks for watching. Keep liking, keep subscribing. Bye bye.